Hi friends, it is 30 minutes past 3 am and I'm making this video to share my uh, pain, if you will say, or a paradox, or what I don't know what exactly term you would say this. My humble request to you is to share this to as many people as you can. uh, the message here, what I want to tell you is that because our parents and our friends and our society has made clearing government exams such a heroic job, the real heroes, the people, the good people, the people who could actually do something great, they are not able to get their chance in the society, their recognition in the society. And what happens is that even if you have something in your mind, uh, let's say you had something in your mind in class 10th, that I want to become something else apart from the uh, fields which are doctors, engineer, lawyer, chartered accountant, apart from this. So the idea itself gets completely rejected. Try understanding this from a point of perspective of a child. When you would have been a child, when you were a child, you are in class 2, class 1, and your father or relative would have asked you कि बेटा क्या बनना चाहते हो लाइफ में. You would have possibly said, I want to become a footballer, I want to become a cricketer, I want to become an astronaut. And धीरे धीरे as time passes by, your thinking narrows down to the most uh, the so-called prestigious fields which the society has made, that is cracking the government exams. Please understand, it is my humble request to you all that if I take an example of a government exam, let's say NEET, there are 15 lakh plus students competing, and every one of you are dreaming to get a seat in the topmost college. Fine. There are less than 100 seats. There are 50 general category seats and aims. Fine. And that makes the ratio 30,000 30,000 is to 1. Fine. And it is even harder to get here as compared to any of the biggest and the best universities across the world, like Harvard, like Cambridge. Fine. And still, somehow, what happens is that I have come across many people who think that uh, doctory or engineer was something that they wanted to do and that was their dream. Please, my humble request to you, before, if you are starting the preparation of NEET, JEE, or any competitive exam, my humble request to you is just self introspect. Today the world is not like that only doctor and engineer are two fields. There are enormous opportunities opening in other fields. It's just that you need to realize what you actually want from your life. That is what I want to stress. And follow the career which your heart says that yes, I want to pursue this. Not because your parents are suggesting you something, not because your peers are suggesting, not because you were good in studies in class 10th, you brought 10 CGPA, doesn't necessarily mean that you have to take science. You could take commerce as well. On the other hand, if you brought 6 or 7 CGPA and just manage to pass in class 10th, even then you can become one of the best skilled and one of the best doctors or best engineers. That is what I want to tell you. So decisions should be yours, only yours, not because of the pressure. It should be because of your heart. And you already know that this is some decision which is uh, gonna determining what actually you are gonna do in your life. So please, please, please come out of the herd mentality and please pursue whatever you want in your life. It is still not too late. Fine, if you have dropped once or dropped twice for NEET, JEE or any competitive exam, and you realize that doctor was not the field or engineering was not the field which you actually wanted or loved, there is still a chance to turn back and go do whatever your heart says. I know it is very, very difficult. For example, I like to quote the moment of Three Idiots, where you remember that Ranchor Das has a friend, fine, who wants to become a photographer, but his father has forced him to become engineer. And in the interview, from the job interview, he leaves and takes the taxi to meet his favorite photographer and learn the skill of photography. Fine. So it's you who has to make this decision. It's your life, it's your career, it's your wish, and it should be your wish. Thank you.